All right, new project, 1956 oval beetle. Got this from Arizona. It is a rust-free bug. Now, it's not perfect. 56, 1956 was a race car for a while, but being that I guess it was a race car, being from Arizona in the desert, this thing is rust-free. I've not found any rust. A couple of things I've done is I don't know if you can see this over here, but the dash, they had another gauge in there, and there was a big hole about the size of that one over here. I've made this piece. I still got to finish it. A couple of more pieces. Already done the pan, replaced part of the pan over there. There was a little tiny rust spot, and instead of patching it, I just bought another, the quarter piece and put it in. I mean, it's real inexpensive for the piece. So all that's done. I went through and rust proofed the whole pan. Right now, I'm working on mounting in the tranny. I mean, this thing was a race car. I had a roll cage in it and stuff, taking it out. Had it so this piece came out so you can get, put in the engine. But what they did, instead of fixing this for the newer, the lower firewall, they just cut it out. So I'm rebuilding it, putting a new piece in there. I got the tranny mounted where it needs to be. The mounts are all good. I got to clean these up a little bit, just so you can get to the carburetors and the spark plugs. So I'm going to make panels. They had screens in there. I'm going to make panels, removable panels, so they can come in and out. Still going to work on this. I didn't like the way they did it. To remove, they put these little pieces in here and you screws through here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the flange go down, and it'll mount together by the bolts that hold the fender in. I've seen somebody do that, and I like that, so I'll have to work on that. Rib brakes are going to be drums, with the master cylinder, or the cylinder inside of it being a front cylinder, so you get more pressure in the back, because I'm going to put disc brakes in the front. Now this guy already has an adjustable beam in the front, and it's already a 2-inch narrower beam, so when I put on the disc brakes, everything should line up nice. Gonna go with CB Performance disc brakes in this. I'm going to rebuild everything in here and get all that good. And then a little bit on the paint. You see scratch here. This touch-up's got to be done. I've already rebuilt the hinges on this. I had to go to the number 2, so it's a second size. After that, I think you got to replace them because the top hinge was really worn out. Bottom hinge on this is number 1. The top one's a number 2, so if I have to redo the top one, it's gone. But should last a long time right now, so I just rebuilt it, and I'll keep them greased up pretty good. Still got a lot to go, but I don't have to cut any metal out of this thing because it's rust free. This is my new project. A lot of this stuff on bugs, you can find 1,000 videos on it. I'll probably just go over a few things on this, some updates, and maybe some areas that I can't find a write-up on it. But new project. Have a great one.